Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I continue to show about sensor pocket, but in this video I show about how to draw sensor terminal connection like this. So let's start. Therefore I move the cover of the sensor pocket up by you command M, enter, select object, right click, specify base point. I can click here and specify second point. I give 100 up. Yes, like this. And the next I go to 3D polyline, specify start point of the polyline and can go this point. Yeah, and then give 50. Okay, enter. So the first time I create one circle, have a diameter 25. C, enter, specify center point for the circle and click here. Specify radius of the circle or diameter. D, it means diameter. Specify diameter of the circle 25, like this. And the next we have a circle small here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4 here. Mean have a diameter 3.32. And then this point 6.2. So I can hide this object and this too, for easy to like this. And then we continue with the point 6.2. We use command polyline pl enter, specify first point, specify next point here, and then offset, enter, 3.1, enter, like this. And then here the same, offset, enter, 3.1, enter. Yeah. And then erase these two objects and trim this also. TR enter. Yeah. Trim the outside also. TR enter. Now we get like this. And the next is the hole at the middle is 6.5. C, enter, specify center point, click here, D, enter, 6.5, enter. And the next, this hole 3.32. So this is the middle between here to here. So we create one line here like this, and then with your command circle, enter, specify center point, click here, the enter 3.32, enter, erase, and then this we need to array for AR, enter, select object, enter array tab, we click polar, specify center point of array, click the middle of the circle, select group or edit array. So we type I, it means item, enter number of item in array, we need 4, we type 4, enter, yeah. Now we get like this, but now it's in the one group, so we need to add float. So select object like this, we add float, yeah. Now it's separately, okay. So the next step is here. In here, between this cycle to this cycle is 17.50. So we create one line PL enter. We give 17.50 enter, and then move M enter, move it to the middle. Here, and then rotate RO enter, select object, select here, enter, specify base point, we click here, and specify rotate sun angle, we give 45 degree, yeah, like this. So this circle is 3 mm and the outside one is 5.5. You command circle, see enter, specify center point, click 1, the enter diameter 3 mm, enter, and the outside one 5.5, the enter 5.5, enter. Yeah. So we can offset this. Oh, enter, offset, specify offset distance, we offset 2.75, enter, offset, and the next we extend the enter, yeah. And we trim this line, TR, enter, select object to trim, okay, TR, enter, select object to trim, and then we need to erase the object, enter. We also need to trim TR, and then we join here this object, the object, and the object. It now become to one object, and then we need to array this two objects to here, here, here. So AR array enter, select object, select these two objects, enter array tab boolean specify center point and then I enter it means item enter number of item in array for enter. Yeah. Now we get like this, but we need to separate this object. Select object, text float. Yes, it's okay now. Then we go to 3D view. In here, we need to extrude object. Extrude this circle. The height is 8.50. So ext enter select object to extrude enter specify height of extrusion 8.50 enter. Now we get like this, but we need to create a hole here, like this. So we use command preful boundary area and we go to multiple, select this point, enter, yeah, like this. And the next here we need to preful 2 mm, preful down. So we use command preful and we can also this the middle hole need to preful. Yeah. And the next this point preful down to enter like this. Now we get like this. The next here, here we need to extrude 3 mm here. So we go to preful boundary area, but before boundary area we need to boundary default cycle, go to multi default cycle, preful down to make a hole, and the next the same boundary area, multi select boundary area, this for I have this one. Again boundary area, multi boundary area, enter 3 mm like it. Now we get like this. This is the sensor terminal connection. Look like this, and we can erase all this circle on the top. Select and enter. So at the back side like this here, we create 4 cycle and extrude 3.93. So here, C enter, specify center point, B enter, I forget, go to 6 mm, D enter, 6 enter, and then we need to array or enter select object, enter, we click polygons, specify center point of array here, I enter mean item for enter to exit, and then select the object explode, and then we need to extrude this up, extrude up 3.93, go to prefull boundary area here, click on multi boundary area, enter 3.93, right? 3.93, enter. Here, like this. So the next we erase this for circle, we erase enter. Now the sensor connection terminal is look like this. So the next we create a terminal connection for the wire. This one. So this one is 5.92 and 5.92. So we create one rectangle, specify first corner point, click one, and then we give add 5.92, 5.92, enter. Get like this, and then we extrude 6.2, ext, enter, select object, enter, specify height of extrusion 6.2, enter. And the middle have a slit, so we create a circle 2.13. We create one line, enter. So the next we create the slit, so we need to create the hole on the middle. So the hole is 2.13. So we use command circle, specify center point for the circle. We click here, the enter 2.13, enter. So we need to erase this line, enter. We can make sure the enter for confirm. Yeah. And then we use command prefull to prefull here to make a hole, and then erase the circle. Select object, enter. So we go to the wireframe, and here we go to draw and select. So we need to disable UCS, detect UCS, detect here, give 0, enter. Then we go to draw, select, specify center point of base, click here. Specify base radius, specify top radius, and specify height. Here. Select right click, property, turn, we give turn 13, and turn height 0.5, like this. So I go to left, create one circle, C enter, specify center point, D enter, radius 0.5 enter. I create polygon, POL enter, number of side 3 enter, specify center point, click here, inscript in circle here, and then move, enter, select object, enter, specify base point, specify second point. Erase this circle. This we can copy for the screw, or we can create new. So extrude, EXT, enter, select polygon, enter, again, EXT, enter, select polygon, P, enter, and then pad, select pad here. So at here we need to chamfer. Go to 2D wireframe, C8A, enter, select here. Select first line, OK, current, 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter. Select an 8 here. The top, the same, C8A, enter. OK, current, 0.5, enter, 0.5, enter. Select an 8 here. Go to set, and then substack, SU, enter. Select object we need, enter. Select object we cut, enter. Now we get like this. This is wire termination. This the copper. So it have a color. The next we create the screw here, and screw head 5.4 and the height 1.8, and here the slot is 0.85. So I create one line by use 3D polyline. Here I give 15, okay. Then create a circle, specify center point, the enter 5.4, and then here is 0.98. We use this one by rectangle, specify first corner point, click one, and then add 5.4, 0.98, and then move this rectangle, enter, select object, enter, specify base point and click here, and specify second point and click here. So the next extrude, EXT, enter, select this circle, extrude 1.8, enter. We need to prefill here one area, specify height of extrusion 1, enter for exit, and then select the rectangle here. And the next is here, screw body with the cycle 2.88. So C, enter, specify center point here, B, enter, 2.88, enter, and the height is 5.86. So press full, 5.86, enter. So we need to erase this circle, enter, and the next, create a strip. So we go to draw, elect, specify center point, specify base radius and top radius, the same, and specify helix height, and select helix, right click, property, turn, we give 12, turn height 0.5, next we go to front, create a circle, diameter 0.5, the enter, 0.5 enter, create a polygon, POL enter, number of side 3, specify center point of polygon, click here, inscribe it in circle, like this, move, enter, select polygon, go to here, and erase circle, enter, and then extrude, ext enter, p enter, path, select path here. Before we subtract, we need to select here F enter or enter, 0.5 enter, select full object here. Okay, and the top point here, need to chamfer CA enter, select OK current, 0.5 enter, 0.5 enter, select here, enter. And then we need to subtract SU enter, select here, enter, select object we cut, enter. Now we get like this. And these two objects has a copper, so we need to go to match, and then because previous one we apply color already, so we can apply these two here, these two objects, and then go to visualize, texture on, texture off, yeah. So we need to move these two objects to here, show, and enter, select object, enter, specify base point, and click here. And second point here. Yeah. And the screw the same, and click, move, select object, enter, specify base point here. Second point, the middle of this. to study my friend and you. Yes, that is correct. Then we need to array these two objects. A or inter select object, these two objects, inter array type for layer, specify center point of array, click here, and I inter for inter for exit. Erase the inter. We go to in this object. Like this. So in this video, I have finished. Thank you for watching.